Alright. I guess it's not smart of us to be out here in the wind. Those gusts are strong. Well, it's the day before the actual impact of the hurricane, but we're getting the outstretches of the wings of it. I guess I don't know what you're going to call them, but the spirals of the hurricane on the outskirts. We're kind of getting hit with those storms. Now it's allegedly a tropical storm, and then tomorrow is the full-on hurricane. But we're getting some pretty hefty gusts and deluge of water coming out of the sky. Yes, rain.
All that water out of the sky.
I don't know. It's like buckets coming out. I don't know if that's rain or buckets. I just call it deluge of water
Coming out of the sky.
coming out of the sky.
So basically rain.
Yes. I'm the captain, Nar. You're the first mate, Junior.
Yeah, Junior.
Just kidding. You've always been the first mate.
Right.
For 13 or for 10 years, you've been the first mate.
10?
Yeah, you were 3 when we got on the boat.
Oh,
On the first boat in Tacoma.
yeah. Yep.
That guy ran off the road. Oh yeah, look. That was hurricane. It's another one of those prank phone callers or whatever from India. Man, those wind gusts are strong. That flipped that car right around and threw him into the freaking guardrail. That was crazy. Look at that. That broke recently. Wow, we got some strong winds up here. I'd hate to be that guy driving that big truck. One of those wind gusts comes, he's on flat on his side. That's crazy.
Wear your seatbelt and stay hydrated. What?
And listen to pirate songs. It's important. It'll keep you going. Times of distress.
Yeah. Anything's possible. Pirates of the Caribbean theme.
Absolutely.
14 minutes.
Absolutely. Hey, look at that. It's calmed down almost completely. Wow.
I think like 2 minutes and pick up again.
Yeah. There's going to be a thrashing. Oh, that's a nice break. I wonder if I should ask them if they're okay. Oh. They don't have their hazard lights on or anything. The guy's window's down. That was weird. Oh.
Maybe he's also taking pictures while this,
I bet he is. I bet that's exactly what he's doing.
like what we do.
Yeah. Oh, there's the cops. Well, even if he's broke down or whatever, the cops are coming, so maybe they'll help him out. I think he's just taking pictures. That was FEMA.